Hi everyone, I've completed another end-to-end data analysis project, and for this one I've used Python and SQL. How great is that? So the data set that I have used is of retail orders, and these are the business questions that I'm going to answer. I'll pop it on the screen. Beautiful. So I started off by importing Pandas library. By the way, I'm using Anaconda Navigator for this Jupyter notebook. I imported the retail orders dataset. Now I know I can use Kaggle API for it, but this is the way I'm doing it for now. After skimming through the dataset, I identify and treated the various representation of null, such as not available and unknown, by using any values. Then I implemented a programmatic approach to convert all the column names to lowercase and replacing the blanks to underscore. This helps in SQL. Next, I derive crucial new columns which are important for deep financial analysis. I calculated discounted price, which is sale price, and finally profit. Next, I also ensured that the order date column was correctly converted to date time format, and then I drop out all the columns that weren't needed anymore. So next step was to import this transform data onto the SQL workbench. For this, I use SQL Alchemy, and I was stuck on this part for a very long time. Don't ask me for how long. So now with the beautifully transformed data imported to MySQL, we go on answering the business questions. So the first business question that we are going to answer is to find the top 10 highest revenue generating product. Pretty straightforward. We we find the sum of the discounted price, which is sales, and then by grouping it by product id and setting the limit to 10, we get the top 10 products by revenue. So the next business question is to find the top 5 highest selling products in each region. I started off by finding the sales, by doing the sum of discounted price to find the sales, and then by grouping it by region and product ID, and using this CDE as a reference table to allot the row number by partitioning by region, and with the row number smaller than equal to 5, we have the top 5 product in each region. So the third business question is month over month growth comparison for the year 2022 and 2023. So for this, we extracted the year and month from order date, and then of course the sales, and then we use it as a CTE to find the sum in the year 2022 and 2023 using the case statement, and then we have the month on month growth comparison for the year 2022 and 2023. So the next business question that I'm answering uh, is to find the highest sales month by category. So for this, I formatted it to year and month, and of course we did the sales by using it as a CTE and allotting the row number while partitioning by category and ordering by sale. We get the highest sale with the row number is equals to 1. So the last question that I'm answering is the subcategory with the highest growth by profit in 2022 from 2023. For this, we used two CTE. In the first CTE, we extracted year, and then find the sum of the discounted price while grouping it by subcategory and year. Now we use this in the CTE2 to find the sum of sales in the year 2022, and then to find the sum in 2023 as well. Now finally we use it to find the percentage, and then by ordering it in descending order and setting the limit to 1, we get the subcategory with the highest growth in 2023 from 2022. So yeah, that's the whole walkthrough of the project. I hope I was able to explain, and thanks for watching.